Ask Dr. Rob, brought to you by Big Sky Pet Center.
It's not uncommon to hear our dog sneezing, but one thing you may have heard is what's called a reverse sneeze. This is actually a snorting sound that comes from back in the nasal passageways of the dog. Instead of the traditional sneezing out, they actually suck in and it causes a fluttering in the back of the throat. Oftentimes, owners mistaken this for a seizure. This is simply just an irritation in the back of the throat. For more information on this and other topics, please visit us at bigskypetcenter.com.